Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will study about session. Session is used to pass the information between the web pages. So session is a one type of object which stores some information. We can access that information from anywhere from any page. The session object is used to store data across multiple requests for each user. When a session begins, a unique key assigned to the user. ASP maintains a session state for each user by providing the client with this unique key. This key is stored in HTTP cookie that client sends to the server on each request. The server can then read the key from the cookie and reveal the server session. So now in this example we will create session from one page and we will retrieve that session in another page. You can see I have taken one text box in which user will type some information and we will pass that information to another page when we click on the create session button. When we click on the button, we will create session on the click event of this button, and I have created one more page called retrieve session.aspx. In this page, when we click on the retrieve session button, the session which is passed from the create session.aspx page is retrieved and the value of session is assigned to this label. So let's learn how to create session and retrieve it. Click on the create session button. Session is an object we can create using session, start the square bracket. We have to pass index which is a unique key. So we will set unique key user name and we will assign this user name to some information which is passed from the text box, which is text box 1 dot text. So the session is created. Now I want to retrieve this session information. So go to the another page called retrieve session.aspx and double click on the retrieve session button. I want to show the session information in label, so type the label name lbl session dot text is equal to session object index which we have passed in create session page, which is user name, close the square bracket, and we have to convert this session into toString. So convert with toString method and give semicolon. Now we have created a session. So now I want to redirect to page retrieve session.aspx. For this, response.redirect method is used, in which we have to pass the argument as a page name with its extension, which is retrieve session.aspx. Now let's run it. We are passing John Martin and let's click on create session. Page is redirect to retrieve session.aspx. Now click on retrieve session button, which will be retrieve the session. You can see John Martin is retrieved, which is we have passed in the session. So this is the use of session. Thank you.